Kendall, Florida, is known for its warm weather and high humidity, making it an ideal place to enjoy natural light and fresh air. However, the humid climate can present challenges when it comes to maintaining your double-hung windows. Proper cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep your windows functioning well and looking their best, even in the face of Florida's unique environmental conditions. Here's a comprehensive guide to cleaning and maintaining your double-hung windows in Kendall's humid climate, ensuring they stay in great condition for years to come. Understand your double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a popular choice for Kendall homeowners because of their versatility and ease of use. With two operable sashes that slide vertically, they allow for excellent ventilation. Many models also feature tilt-in sashes, which make cleaning a breeze. Knowing how your windows function is the first step in keeping them clean and well-maintained. Essential cleaning supplies. To clean your double-hung windows effectively, gather the following supplies: a soft microfiber cloth or sponge, a bucket of warm, soapy water. Use mild dish soap. A vinegar water solution. 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. For streak-free cleaning. A squeegee for drying glass. A small, soft bristled brush for scrubbing tracks and corners. A vacuum cleaner with a crevice attachment, optional. Silicone-based lubricant for moving parts. Having the right tools on hand ensures a thorough clean while protecting your windows from damage. Step-by-step cleaning process. Remove dirt and debris. Start by using a soft brush or vacuum cleaner to remove loose dirt, dust, and debris from the window tracks, frames, and sills. Kendall's humid climate can encourage the buildup of grime, so this step is crucial. Clean the glass. Spray the vinegar water solution onto the glass panes and use a microfiber cloth or sponge to wipe away smudges, fingerprints, and dirt. For stubborn spots, let the solution sit for a minute before wiping. Dry the glass with a squeegee to prevent streaks, moving from top to bottom. Clean the tracks and frames. Use warm, soapy water and a soft brush to scrub the tracks and frames, removing any accumulated dirt or mold. Rinse with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly to prevent moisture from lingering. Inspect and clean the sashes. Tilt the sashes inward, if your model allows, and clean them using the same soapy water and vinegar solution. Pay special attention to the edges and seals. Preventing mold and mildew. Kendall's humidity can promote the growth of mold and mildew, particularly around window seals and tracks. To combat this, regularly wipe down seals, tracks, and frames with a mixture of vinegar and water to kill spores. Ensure windows are dried thoroughly after cleaning. Keep indoor humidity levels in check by using dehumidifiers or ensuring proper ventilation. Maintaining moving parts. Double-hung windows rely on tracks, springs, and locks for smooth operation. To keep these components in good condition, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks and moving parts to ensure smooth operation and prevent rust. Inspect locks and latches to confirm they function properly. Tightening or replacing hardware is needed. Seasonal maintenance tips to keep your windows in optimal shape throughout the year. Spring and summer. Clean windows more frequently to remove pollen, dirt, and salt deposits common in humid climates. Fall and winter. Inspect weather stripping and seals to ensure they are intact and replace them if necessary to prevent drafts. Protecting against coastal conditions. Living in Kendall means dealing with salty air, which can accelerate corrosion and damage to window frames and hardware. To protect your double-hung windows, choose corrosion-resistant materials like vinyl or aluminum-clad wood. Rinse window exteriors with fresh water periodically to remove salt deposits. The benefits of regular maintenance. Regular cleaning and maintenance extend the lifespan of your double-hung windows, ensuring they continue to operate smoothly and look great. Additionally, well-maintained windows improve your home's energy efficiency by preventing air leaks and reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Conclusion. Maintaining double-hung windows in Kendall's humid climate requires a combination of regular cleaning, preventive measures, and attention to detail. By following these simple steps, you can protect your investment, keep your windows functioning at their best, and enjoy clear, beautiful views of Florida's sunny skies. Whether you're cleaning for routine maintenance or preparing for a new season, caring for your double-hung windows will keep them looking and performing as beautifully as the day they were installed.